All right, you trader nerds, what do we have today? We were down 100 points earlier, over 2%. I saw it at 2.03%. Oh, behave. But then Notional Ed must have come in and saved the market. Ed came in and started buying stuff, and I think Ed brought the market back up. So we'll thank Ed for coming back in and lifting us back up. Look at this, y'all. It's crazy. Is this really correct? The normal number of contracts traded for 2 minutes was 15,000? Surely that's not right. That can't be right. That's a lot of volume. Wow. And at the end, there's Ed coming in and saving the market. So look at this. We moved back up to the overnight low and passed it, went back up to VWAP and almost to the cash open. Wow. That is amazing. Look at it in the Big Green Monster. Big Green Monster does such a good job of catching tops of different things. Look at this. It caught the top there, goes back down to the point of control. No surprises here at all. Now we're fairly priced again. So, it may have a date with the 49.28 again, but I don't know. Everything looks good. We're fairly priced at the point of control. Things look really good. Look really, really good. All right, let's trade the Roth IRA today. See how it's doing today. So Roth IRA is this one, and let's see how bad it took us down today. Let's see, 55,041. 55,041. So not much, 55,041. So we're down $439. And let's see, so we are up. Let's see, 213.24. Good. Let's go put our Gregson ratios in for the day. As long as you don't panic, y'all. As long as you don't panic, just do your thing. Trade your plan. All right. So let's see. Let's take our groups off here so we can get our Gregson ratios. God, we got a bunch of working orders. I don't even want to look at them. All right. So our deltas are 49 and 22. 49, 22. 49 and 22. And VIX went up to 15 today, almost 16. And our buying power probably increased a little, 9,500. Not bad. All right, so we need to put on a trade. Looks like good day to put on a trade too with the market going down. Now let's see what our position sizing is on this particular account. Let's see. So we should do 1.5 per week. And if we had a full book of trades, we would have 22 trades on. So let's see how many we actually got on. 22 trades. We only got 17 on. So let's do a two trancher today. It'd be a great day to do a two trancher. And let's see if anything needs closing. Look at our auto date signal. Slide, slide, slide. We could slide some positions if we wanted to, but we don't have to, certainly. So let's see, nothing to close, nothing to close. So let's just do our little trade, y'all. Very simple. Bobby, aren't you scared to sell something here? Crap, no. Are you kidding? We trade the plan, baby. What does the plan say? The plan says go for it. So we go to 120 days out. So everybody's at 129. And we're going to sell 5% probability of being in the money. That's about here. Boy, we got wide bid-ask spreads. Let's go to this one here. 1775, see if we can get 18 for it. 2, 3, 4, since we're doing two tranches at 18. And whack them. Dewey, whack them and how? Here we go. I said Dewey, whack them and how. Some of my college kids were having trouble getting fills today in the paper money account. There we go. 1775. We did four of those at 129. So we sold the 40 50s at 129. 40 50s at 129 days. And y'all told me yesterday that this should be ES, and I didn't do it right. So I need to correct that. Shovel said I was just testing y'all. Sure, I was. Give me S, and we did 4 of those. So we'll call this naked put 110. Hard to believe, ain't it? Puts and naked and 2/13/24. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day. Beth, you got me something? Beth, yo, Beth. She better get me something. I need some chocolate. So we got filled for $17.75. So let's go put our little other thing in, which will be our put debit spread. So about a 25 delta or so. So we could do it in the same place we've had this one. Let's do the sell to 48 and buy the 47.50. See what that looks like. 525. Look at these wonky prices. Let's move something up closer. Let's do this one. 104.88. That's not right. That's good. 4,900, 48.50. Let's see if we can get it in for, let's try $8. We might have to work this some. Look at that bid-ask spread. Let's see if we can get this filled. We don't want to spend more than 10. Okay, let's go back and get it.
The bracelet.
Let's go to 9. No, let's go to 850.
All my bracelets except for one broke last night.
Come on, fill me. Fill me. Dang it.
Did you find them?
Let's go up a little bit more. I got nothing but time, baby.
Well, I think it's
$9. Come on. This has got to feel. All right, let's go $10. I ain't going over 10. I may go to 10.25. Let's see. We're definitely not going to that $16. Come on, somebody fill me. All right, I'm going to 10 and a quarter or 10.25, something like that. Let's see. 10. See if that'll get big. What? Oh, I got a little legal price. What's my price on it? 10. Well, it'd help if I could see my price. Here we go. What?
Yeah, 1020.
Oh, was it 1020? Okay, let's say canceled order. Yeah. Create duplicate order. Let's go to 1050. Nothing. Jack, squat, crap. All right. Hey, I ain't playing with you. I'll cancel that order. Let's go back. I said, let's go back. Let's put our strikes here, here, and here. Now let's go up. Let's see. Let's go to about $7 on that. See if that'll. Look at that natural price, y'all. 79.25. Unbelievable. Wonky strikes. Let's play with it a little bit more. I like clicking the buttons. Surely we'll get filled at 9 here. Or maybe not. Maybe I'll just wait until tomorrow to put this on. You know. Nine. Come on, fill me. Fill. Unbelievable. Who would have
You don't have
thought?
to go back like that to the monitor tab, Bobby.
What I got to do, Hal?
You
Oh,
just,
just
the little flags there next to your trades, you can just right click on it and it'll give you the option to cancel and replace.
oh, right here.
Yep.
I cannot believe that's not filling. There we go. Oh, good. That's good. 15, 25, 30, 40, 50. Let's see. You know, I just don't think I'm going to go further than that. I just think we're getting wonky prices because it's aftermarket. Y'all don't let me forget, though. Tomorrow, I need to go in and do my put debit spread during order. Yeah, wait till tomorrow. Yeah, that's exactly what I'll do. I'll just wait till tomorrow. All right. Good job, y'all, out of us. So did anybody panic today? Everybody good? Just remember, nothing
Bills
can.
for a bill.
Oh, yeah, T-bills or bill. Let's do that. So I'll see everybody tomorrow, but let's buy a bill and see y'all tomorrow. Bye.